happy. I got a new pillow. Exotic vibes. Most definitely a unique piece. I have a new love for animals, and this black panther I would love on a bodysuit. I seen one on Rihanna a long time ago. Determined to find one. Okay, the purpose of all of my collections are to make me happy. Welcome home.
Jordan!
While we're reminiscing, I'm gonna show you guys 30 different hairstyles, 30 different days. Starting with the Diana Ross. I don't know why my friends keep tagging me in challenges like I'm not famous anyway. It's like, no, I'm just playing, but this is definitely my response to the challenge. The challenge was to post 10 hairstyles, 10 different hairstyles that you've had. Of course, I had to do the most and do extra. She's a hard-working girl. For now. Rainbow clips and all. Can I get your name and number? 'Cause I like your stilo. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. Green is not my favorite color, but it is a beautiful color, so. Just like candy, I can feel it when you walk. I had so much fun with this long mermaid hair. Color Black Queen. This was all my hair. This is all my hair too. I'm gonna tag my homegirl who did these. So many people were staring at me the day I wore my hair like this. It was fun. Looking at some of these, I lost a lot of weight. Health is wealth, my baby. I wouldn't be able to fit on this if I didn't. You made it! Ta-da. I was a redhead too. I had a lot of colors. What can I say? Colors are fun. I hope you guys can enjoy. I had fun doing this countdown, so I will see you guys next time. I love you. Heartwork House is out, baby.